again, we're kind of talking through the problems. And by talking through the problems, hopefully when you're doing a problem, you're talking through it as well. But they give me A1, they give me A6. These are geometric, by the way. They want to find R and S6. Well, I got to write it down now. So, I'm going to write this over here. So A6, that's minus 0.128 equals A1, which is 12.5 times, I don't know the R to a power. Now this is going to be R to the fifth power. All right? So then the question is, can you solve that? And you can. And R has to be a negative number, by the way. But I'm going to say if you solve this thing, and you should be able to solve it, you should get this. You should get R is, if you write a decimal number, it would be minus 0.4 if you use a decimal number. And of course, if you use if you're not using decimal, write a fraction down, which I actually prefer, this would be minus 4/10 or minus 2/5. Again, you should be able to get the R. Now let's do S6. S6, it's kind of nasty numerical, but you can write it down, and then maybe use a calculator to do that. I'll write this over here, and the A1, that's 12.5, right? And then it's going to be 1 minus, well, the R I determined to be minus 0.4. Let me write that down. And yeah, your calculator can handle definitely decimal arithmetic. And that's going to be the sixth power. And what goes on bottom? 1 minus a minus 0.4. And again, I'm assuming if you're able to use a calculator, you'll get this number over here. But I got to be honest with you, I actually prefer a ratio of integers. All right? So you should probably learn how to use a calculator to do both. All right? To get a decimal number, an exact decimal number, and also a ratio of two integers. All right? Thank you.